Learn Hindi Society words, Society 2.
प्रभाव,
With fun English Hindi stories. Welcome to the very serious tea stall. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi with a story, a smile, and maybe a dramatic cup of tea. Let's jump into a tiny town where even vocabulary has opinions. In the middle of a busy neighborhood stood Ch.2's tea stall, the unofficial parliament of the local.
समाज,
If someone wanted to discuss politics, cricket, or why pigeons walk like they own the city, they came here. Ch.2 claimed his tea-shaped local.
संस्कृति,
And honestly, nobody argued because he was holding the kettle. One morning, a sign appeared above the stall. Today's topic: what keeps a community together? The retired teacher said it begins with.
परंपरा,
The college student said no, it begins with.
मूल्य,
The shopkeeper said both are useless without good.
व्यवहार,
Then Ch.2 said, all of you are wrong. It begins with paying for your tea. Everyone laughed, because in every
समाज,
humor is cheaper than therapy. But the discussion continued. People said daily
आदत,
matters too, because small repeated actions become the invisible glue of life. Someone else added that your
रवैया,
changes everything. Even the same problem feels different with a positive.
रवैया,
And finally, the oldest man at the stall tapped his cup and said, never forget.
प्रभाव,
One person's words can lift a crowd, or ruin breakfast. Word parade. Now let's meet the key words one by one, like celebrities walking a red carpet but with better grammar. Repeat them aloud after you hear them. Society is.
समाज,
Imagine many people, one shared life.
समाज,
Culture is.
संस्कृति,
Think of food, music, festivals, and ways of living.
संस्कृति,
Tradition is.
परंपरा,
It is what gets passed from one generation to the next.
परंपरा,
Values are.
मूल्य,
These are the principles that guide choices.
मूल्य,
Behavior is.
व्यवहार,
This is how you act with other people.
व्यवहार,
Habit is.
आदत,
Something you do again and again.
आदत,
Attitude is.
रवैया,
This is your mental approach, your stance, your inner weather report.
रवैया,
Influence is.
प्रभाव,
It is the effect one person, idea, or action has on others.
प्रभाव,
Tea stall drama. Let's hear the words inside a mini story. Listen for meaning, rhythm, and how the vocabulary works together. At noon, the debate became more dramatic. A man in sunglasses announced, I am an expert in modern.
समाज,
Nobody knew who he was, but because he wore sunglasses in the shade, people assumed he must be important. He declared, a strong
समाज,
needs rich
संस्कृति,
living
परंपरा,
and shared.
मूल्य,
The teacher nodded. Ch.2 looked impressed for 3 seconds, which was his maximum. Then a child pointed at the man and said, if your ideas are so good, why are you pushing in line? Silence. Epic silence. Pigeons stopped mid-step. Even the tea bubbles looked judgmental. The teacher smiled and said, excellent question. Fine speeches are useless without good.
व्यवहार,
The crowd agreed. The man in sunglasses stepped back and muttered that politeness was now his new.
आदत,
The child continued, because children are tiny truth machines. And your
रवैया,
needs repair too. At this point, even Ch.2 almost gave the child free biscuits. Almost. Finally the old man said, see? That child has
प्रभाव,
good words, honest timing, strong effect. And that was the moment everyone realized the smallest speaker had the biggest.
प्रभाव,
Useful patterns you can say. Now you practice simple patterns you can actually use. Say them slowly first, then again with confidence. Society changes over time. In Hindi, key word.
Samaj.
Every country has its own culture. Key word.
Sanskriti.
This festival is part of our tradition. Key word.
Parampara.
Family values are important. Key word.
Mulya.
Please improve your behavior. Key word.
Vyavahar.
Reading every day is a good habit. Key word.
Adat.
Her positive attitude helped the team. Key word.
Ravaiya.
Parents have a big influence on children. Key word.
Prabhav.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a friendly quiz. If you miss one, that is not failure. That is just your brain doing yoga. What is the Hindi word for society?
Samaj.
What is the Hindi word for culture?
Sanskriti.
What is the Hindi word for tradition?
Parampara.
What is the Hindi word for values?
Mulya.
What is the Hindi word for behavior?
Vyavahar.
What is the Hindi word for habit?
Adat.
What is the Hindi word for attitude?
Ravaiya.
What is the Hindi word for influence?
Prabhav.
Tiny culture tip. Here is a useful learning note. Words become easier when you see how they connect in real life. In conversations about community life,
Samaj.
often refers to society as a whole, while
Sanskriti.
refers to culture, including shared ways of living, arts, food, and customs.
Parampara.
Is more specific, it is tradition passed down over time. Meanwhile,
Mulya.
are the principles people believe matter. These values often shape
Vyavahar.
which is outward behavior, your repeated,
Adat.
can strengthen that behavior, and your inner
Ravaiya.
affects how you approach people and problems. Put it all together, and you get
Prabhav.
the effect you leave on others. So yes, 1 cup of tea can become a full philosophy lesson. Your speaking challenge. Now it is your turn. Try saying these lines aloud as if you are the star of the tea stall debate. In every
Samaj.
people create
Sanskriti.
good
Parampara.
and strong
Mulya.
can guide a community. Polite
Vyavahar.
is better than a rude speech. A small
Adat.
can change your life. A positive
Ravaiya.
has real
Prabhav.
goodbye from Ch.2. You did great today. You learned big ideas in Hindi without needing a giant textbook or a dramatic soundtrack, although a dramatic soundtrack would have helped. Before you go, remember the full set once more. Society is
Samaj.
culture is
Sanskriti.
tradition is
Parampara.
values are
Mulya.
behavior is
Vyavahar.
habit is
Adat.
attitude is
Ravaiya.
and influence is.
Prabhav.
Thanks for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing these words out loud, use them in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow with the confident
Ravaiya.
of someone who absolutely deserves another cup of tea.